Welcome to A Beautiful Place YouTube channel. Now, you can see Madakaripura Waterfall, Indonesia tourist destination. Tour is no less amazing is Madakaripura Waterfall. This waterfall is located in the area of Bromo, Tengger, Semeru National Park. This waterfall is very cool and has a beautiful natural charm. The flow of water emanating from a very high cliff makes an exotic impression. We will find waterfall that flows in Madakaripura as high as 200 meters and became one of the second highest waterfall in Indonesia. Okay. Now please subscribe to our channel to find another A Beautiful Place.